Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Imran Siddiq and a very warm welcome to English with Imi. In today's video we're going to talk about one of the most important topic, most common for A1 life skills exam. It is city or cities, or you may be asked about to talk about major cities. This topic is going to help you to tackle all these three topics. So we will know the question and their possible answers for phase 1A, 1B and 2B of your A1 life skill exam. So let's jump into it. Question number 1, do you live in a big city or a small city? Answer, I live in a big city, or you can say I live in a small city. Question 2, what are some of the advantages, meaning benefits of living in a city? Living in a city has many advantages, like you buy things easily and move around without any problem of transport. Question number 3, what are some of the disadvantages of living in a city? Some of the disadvantages of living in a city are that it is noisy and polluted. Question number 4, do you know the neighbors who live near you? Yes, I know my neighbors very well. Question number 5, what's your favorite city and why? My favorite city is this very city where I live because it is my birthplace. What city do you live in? I live in the city of New York. Question number 7, what part of this city do you like the best? I like north part of the city. Question number 8, can you describe the city? This city is very big and it has all the facilities of the modern day world. Question number 9, what do you think should be done to improve living condition in cities? I think there should be less traffic and more trees in the city. Question number 10, what are the names of two big cities in your country? Washington and New York are two big cities in my country. Question number 11, what are the names of two small cities in your country? Here you have to give two names in your country. Toms River and Manahawkin are two small cities in my country. Question number 12, would you enjoy designing a new city? Yes, I would enjoy designing a new city. Question number 13, do you walk alone at night in your home city? Yes, I walk alone at night in my home city. Question 14, would you want to be the mayor of your city? Yes, I would want to be the mayor of my city. 15 question, do you think you could make big changes in your city? Answer, yes, I think I could make big changes in my city. Here you can say what are those changes. You can simply make one more question this way also. Question 16, do you like modern cosmopolitan architecture? Yes, I like modern cosmopolitan architecture. Question number 17, how would you describe your city? I would describe my city as the main city of my country. Question number 18, is it safe to live in your city? Yes, it is safe to live in my city. Question number 19, does your city has the best services, like best bus services, taxi services or metro service? Yes, my city has the best bus services, or you can say taxi services, or you can say metro services. Question number 20, how can we make our cities safer places to live? Answer, we can make our cities safer places to live by controlling the crimes. Question 21, do all the cities in your country or the US have the same education system? Question number 21 again, do all the cities in your country have the same educational system? Yes, all the cities in my country have the same educational system. If it is different, you can say yes, all the cities. You can say no, all the cities of my country does not have the same education system. Question number 22, can you suggest some good tourist sites to visit in your city? Sorry, I don't know the tourist sites. Question 23. What are you doing to reduce the amount of pollution in your city? I'm growing more plants. Answer. I am growing more plants to reduce the amount of pollution in my city. Last question for today's topic, city. Question number 24. Which cities would you like to visit around the world? I would like to visit Tokyo and Islamabad. Alright, this is the end of our today's topic for question and answer on the topic cities or the major cities. I hope this will help you a lot to prepare yourself for IELTS A1 life skill exams question and answer. So far so good. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please go ahead, subscribe it now and press the bell icon so you can receive the notifications at the earliest. Happy IELTS preparation. Bye for now.